For homeowners in Milton, where winter temperatures often dip below freezing, maintaining a warm and comfortable home is a top priority. Many residents look for ways to improve energy efficiency, from upgrading insulation to investing in efficient HVAC systems. However, one crucial factor often goes overlooked: proper window installation. Even the highest quality, energy-efficient windows won't deliver their full potential if they aren't installed correctly. Poor installation can lead to air leaks, heat loss, and rising energy bills. Let's explore how professional window installation can significantly reduce heating costs while improving comfort and efficiency in your Milton home. The importance of proper sealing and insulation. Your windows act as a barrier between your home's cozy interior and the cold Massachusetts air outside. But when that barrier isn't sealed properly, warm air escapes, forcing your heating system to work harder to maintain a consistent temperature. Professional installers ensure a tight seal around every window frame using the correct insulation materials, such as expanding foam and high-performance caulking. This process prevents drafts and heat loss through tiny gaps that might otherwise go unnoticed. A well-sealed window installation reduces the strain on your heating system, keeping your home warmer while using less energy. In the long run, that means lower heating costs and a smaller carbon footprint for your household. Eliminating drafts and cold spots. If you've ever felt a sudden chill near your windows during a Milton winter, chances are your current windows weren't installed properly or have worn down over time. Drafts occur when gaps allow cold air to enter and warm air to escape, an issue that's not only uncomfortable but also expensive. Proper window installation eliminates these weak points by aligning frames perfectly, sealing corners, and using weather stripping designed for New England's variable climate. The result is consistent warmth throughout your home, without those annoying cold zones near your windows or floors. With drafts eliminated, your furnace doesn't have to compensate for uneven temperatures, leading to reduced energy consumption and more predictable utility bills. Energy-efficient windows work best when installed correctly. Today's energy-efficient windows, featuring double or triple pane glass, low E coatings, and gas-filled layers, are engineered to minimize heat transfer. However, even the most advanced designs can underperform if they aren't installed by trained professionals. Improper fitting can cause gaps or warping, which negates the insulating benefits of the glass and frame materials. Professional installers in Milton understand the nuances of precise alignment, frame preparation, and secure fastening, ensuring your windows perform exactly as designed. When installed correctly, these windows trap warm air inside during winter and reflect outdoor chill, reducing the demand on your heating system. This synergy between product quality and expert installation is key to maximizing both comfort and savings. Preventing moisture and long-term damage. Beyond energy efficiency, proper window installation also protects your home from moisture intrusion. In Milton's cold and often humid climate, condensation and leaks can lead to mold growth, wood rot, or even structural damage. Professionally installed windows include moisture barriers and drainage systems that direct water away from the frame and walls. This prevents long-term issues that could compromise both the efficiency and safety of your home. By avoiding these problems, you not only maintain a healthier indoor environment but also avoid the added costs of repairs. Another way quality installation helps keep expenses in check. A long-term investment with lasting savings. While it might be tempting to choose the cheapest installation option, cutting corners often costs more in the long run. Poor installation can lead to repeated repairs, higher heating bills, and reduced window lifespan. Investing in professional window installation ensures your windows are properly insulated, weatherproofed, and ready to perform efficiently for decades. The savings on heating bills alone can offset the installation costs over time, making it a smart, long-term investment in both comfort and value. Final thoughts for Milton homeowners: keeping energy costs low and comfort high starts with your windows. Proper installation is the foundation of efficiency, ensuring your home stays warm, your heating system runs smoothly, and your utility bills remain manageable even in the coldest months. By working with local professionals who understand Milton's climate and building standards, you can be confident that every window is installed to perform at its best. With precision, quality materials, and expert craftsmanship, you'll enjoy a cozier home, and the peace of mind that comes with knowing your investment is truly paying off.